Hey, this is Kevin, and I'm just gonna be showing you a quick tutorial on how to open up your BlackBerry and change the keypad light. Because a lot of people have been always wondering, how do you change the lights, not the BlackBerry trackball light or this LED light here, but how to change the lights that light up your keys. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make them red. A screwdriver, Torque 5 screwdriver. I bought this online for about 30 cents. All you need is a colored sheet of plastic, whatever color you want. The more clear the plastic, the better. It'll let the lights look brighter when I open it up. So first, it's a normal disassembly of any BlackBerry, and this is a BlackBerry Curve 8900 that I'm showing you on. So you take off the back, and then this bottom piece right here needs to be removed too. So you just pluck it off, like so. And then there's 6 screws that you have to undo. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now after you have all 6 screws removed, you go to the front and you'll be able to pull the top part off with ease. And this back part should come off pretty easily. You just pull it off like so. And I was supposed to take the battery out before I did this, but I'm just too lazy to, so I'll try and do it and still keep the battery in. There are going to be 4 clips on each side of the BlackBerry. 2 on this side and 2 on this side. What you want to do is use your nail and pull the clip out a little and put your other thumb on the screen and push. So see how so do that and it'll release that clip just a little, and do it to the next one, and then do it to the next one, and do it to the next. So do it to all 4, and then you can pull this piece off. Now that you have the front part off, this is what you should have and what it should look like. And here's this little piece of plastic film that makes my keys light up red. This is all it is. A lot of people are like saying that you have to change the light bulbs and whatever. You don't have to do any of that. Get something like this, cut it out about to the size of your keyboard. Not very hard. Then just lay it down flat, like so. Want to lay it down flat like that, and put your keyboard over it. So you can put the trackball in next. It's up to you. And then you place the keyboard directly on top. Also make sure that when you make this piece of plastic cutout for your keyboard, you're not covering any of the screw holes like this one here, or these 2, this one and this one. Don't cover those because then you won't be able to screw it in properly. That's it. Put your back piece on and you're done. There's what it looks like in the dark. That's it. Thanks for watching.